Have you ever known that trees do have life? They are very sensitive about their surrounding. Their health totally depends on you, and it starts from the foundation, how to plant and ensure that they grow very well. Welcome to this process. The right size for planting a tree that will survive and ensure that the tree grows very well and it's sensitive to its surrounding is a 3 feet by 3 feet by 3 feet. Must always remember that the deeper the size of the hole, the higher the chances of survival. Avoid round holes, because when the roots of the tree go into a circular hole, they tend to just surround in that place, and therefore the tree grows, and at some point then it stagnates. Open up the hole. Do not just dig a hole and plant a tree immediately. You need to do this even a month before, so that any unwanted material may die off. Once you have mixed up the soil with the manure, it is now time to return the healthy soil into the hole. Do not make a mistake of planting a tree there. You must bring up the soil all the way up so that there is enough space for the roots to get sufficient food for the tree to grow. You may lose the center of the hole that you have already dug and where you want to place your tree at the appropriate point, and therefore you must mark the center and then continue now putting in more soil. Hold your tree very nicely so that you don't lose the soil or disturb the rooting system. Press it down just to make sure that it is firm and not taken away by water. Once you have planted, ensure that you water the tree. The water seeps in very nicely and creates the right moisture down and below the tree. Never fear to plant a tree next to the house if you love it. You can protect the rooting system and you can reroot the roots so that they do not affect your house. And therefore you just need to count 2 meters and be able to have this kind of a material, hard material, cut it up, open it up, and bury it in a line so that whenever the rooting of the tree hits this hard surface, at its young stage it reroots to different directions and therefore keeps your house safe. Get into the custom and the culture of growing trees. They have feelings. They can understand what is going around them. That's why you see some trees malnourished, others are doing very well. It is because they have a feeling. Trees have a life.